Hi, in today's hsbDesign for Revit training session, I'll show you a way how you can organize your sheets in the project browser. So, as you can see at the moment, we have 4 sheets and the templates down here. To do so, we switch to the Manage ribbon, and in here we add a new project parameter. We'll add the 2 project parameters called Sheet Group and Sheet Sort. To do so, we can add them below. And the name of the first one is Sheet Group, and the data type is text. And the category is Sheets. So afterwards we can click OK, and we can also add a sheet sort. And this is a text as well, and the category is also Sheets. Afterwards, we can move over to the project browser and we can do right-click and go to Browser Organization. In here, we go to the Sheets and we create a new organization. We're calling this one hsbCAD. And after clicking OK, we can set up the grouping and sorting. So it will be grouped by the sheet group at first, and afterwards by the sheet sort. So then we can click OK, and then select hsbCAD and apply it. So after closing this window and moving over to the project browser, you can see that the shop drawings haven't been added to the groups. And this is because you would have to regenerate them. So right now, we'll open up our floor plan of our building, and we will create a new shop drawing for wall number 2. So we go to HSB Output. We want to create it for wall container, and we select our template, and then we can select our item container for which we want to create our shop drawing. And right now, as you can see over here, this new group, hsbCAD, has been generated, and this one contains the templates as well as the shop drawing for wall number 2. So in order to get these other shop drawings into such groups as well, we'll have to regenerate all of them. I hope this video helped you learn how to organize your shop drawings in your project browser. See you at the next training session.